Thank you, Squarespace, for sponsoring this webisode.
Okay, days of the week. Thursday, Taking Back Sunday. Saturday's at your place.
Maybe something weather-related? The forecast, sunny day real estate, Rain and Maria. Sports references, modern baseball, American football, free throw, turnover.
What about like Freudian familial, soccer mommy, dad punchers, only sons, daughters?
Basement uncle.
That's real.
No, like for us.
How is that a good band name?
Inappropriate uncle.
What?
Uncle boundaries.
Did something happen with your uncle?
Family function.
Love that.
Not invited back.
Are you trying to tell me something?
I just think we need to double down. Oh, I fucking got it. Mommy, daddy.
It's perfect.
I could see that on a flyer.
Is it post-ironic?
It's subverting expectations.
Yeah, I just think we should work on our sound first.
What do you think this is?
MS Paint?
We need something to like aspire to.
Jimmy Eat World.
We're not doing Jimmy Eat World.
Okay, like vibes-based emo is better.
I said something like vibes-based emo.
Okay. I just think we should lock down our sound, then work on the logo.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
We'll do Comic Sans. Let me see a different template.
Before we do this, I think we should thank the sponsor of this web series, Squarespace. Thank you, Squarespace, for sponsoring this webisode.
Okay, we don't have all day.
It's fine, because now we can build even faster using the new design intelligence feature on Squarespace.
I mean, are you telling me that, or are you doing an ad read?
I'm just saying it gives me a huge head start in adding content and sections to my site in a beautiful way.
So it's an ad.
Look, trying out different color themes and fonts instantly gives me a preview of how our site's going to look. Or we can get started with a wide variety of professionally designed website templates and then make it our own. And when I'm ready to book clients,
What clients?
I can easily create professional proposals, estimates, and contracts to make it all official. I can then invoice my new clients and accept payments from ACH Direct Debit, Apple Pay, Klarna, and more.
How do I get started?
Head to squarespace.com/mangostreet for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, save 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain.
Thank you for your support. That was shameless.
It's for our mortgage.
No, it's for our merch.
Does it actually suck?
There are 4 more boxes.